Hey guys, welcome to this new video, and in this video we are going to approve the chain code that we installed in the last video. So in order to approve the chain code, first we have to get the package ID of the chain code. So we can get the package ID using this command, which is going to query the installed chain code, and then we are passing in the config file, which is our network config, and then we are specifying our target peer over which we want to query this chain code. So if I hit enter, we should be able to see the installed chain code with the package ID. So we got the package ID, and now what we can do is I can just set this package ID as an environment variable so that I can use it at multiple places. Package ID, and let me just copy this and put it here. So our package ID is set. Now I can approve the chain code. And the chain code approval process, one peer from the organization needs to approve the chain code. So in our case, we are going to use the peer one of both the organization to approve the chain code. So let me just put the command to approve the chain code from org1 peer one. So this is the command which is going to approve the chain code. And here we are passing the configuration file, the network config, then the user who is going to approve this transaction, and then we are specifying the peer on which behalf we want to approve this transaction. Then we are specifying our package ID of the chain code, then we are specifying the version number, then the sequence number, and then the name of the chain code. And after that we are specifying the endorsement policies, and then we are specifying the channel name. So let me just run this command. So if everything goes well, we will be able to see the success message. Yeah, so here we can see we got the transaction ID, and which means that this transaction was successful. So now let's do the same thing for org2 peer 1, which is going to approve this transaction on the behalf of org2. So here we have to make one minor change. So endorsement policies are going to be as is, version number is going to be same, and in the peers, here we have to make the change, and this time the transaction is going to be from org2 peer 1. Let's hit enter. So now let's commit the chain code, and this commit process needs to be done from only one organization. So you can commit the chain code either from the org1 or from the org2, but the commit process has to be done only once. So let me put up the command here, and then we are specifying our configuration file, and then we are specifying our MSP ID, which is going to commit the chain code. Then we are specifying the user who is going to issue this transaction. Then here we are specifying the version number, the sequence number, and the name of the chain code. And finally, we are specifying the endorsement policies and the channel as well. So let's hit enter and wait for the chain code to commit. So our chain code is also committed. So this was it for this video. If you like this video, then please give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.